Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy, guys. Gemini. So these are for your daily reading, Gemini. For your career situation and your relationship, we'll be picking one card from this deck. So this is for your career situation and this is for your relationship, and one card from the oracle guidance. So that will be an answer to any questions that we have in our mind, what we need to do. So stay tuned for that, guys. This is the card. Don't miss on that oracle guidance. So let us see what are the cards for your daily reading first, Gemini. It's 9 of Suns, the Hierophant, and 7 of Spheres. With these cards in your situation, Gemini, you are a person of great wisdom and knowledge. You know what you need to do, and you may hold an important position in your work, and people come to you for guidance or suggestions or support to clear their doubts. And today you are facing some threat, maybe some people threatening you, or some circumstances of making you afraid of, because you feel that your skills and experience may not be enough to defend you today. So some kind of fear is there in you, maybe in some circumstance, and you need to be quite careful, Gemini. That is what I see in your work or even in your personal life. You have to have that guidance today. Maybe people are there to help you and guide you today. And I also see here that you may see some success in your work. You may be making good lucrative financial deals, maybe signing some deals, maybe. And maybe for some of you, you may want to take a break because of some threatening situations. You just want to take a break from work, or take time off and travel to some place, take rest, maybe. And you are also in the mindset of clearing things, whatever you do not need in life, maybe changing your old ways or ways of thinking, or maybe some emotional clutter that you have, you want to give all that up. So let us see what is the card for your career situation first, guys. Knight of Wands. So with this card, I see that you have that dedication in your work. You have that confidence in you, and you are progressing towards your goals, and you are a very daring and passionate person in your career. You know your goal and you know the path to reach success. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's 2 of Cups. So with this card, I see that you have a perfect, harmonious, balanced connection with this person. You both have that love and understanding, and maybe this maybe the person who wants to help you in your threatening situation today, guys, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini, for your daily reading. Let us see what is your oracle guidance. Flexible. This card means you have to have that open-mindedness and being adaptable, guys, without compromising what is important for you, Gemini. So the appearance of this card in a reading means that you have met a new person, maybe a new type of person whom you never expected, and this person will turn out to be so special that you will be easily giving up your old ideas about what sort of person is right for you, and you will be so happy that you have made this choice today with this person, in this connection, to be in this connection with them. So whatever you expected may not come, but it may be something much more better and lovely than that. So that is the oracle guidance here, guys, and that is the reading for your Gemini today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.